Hello and welcome to timeforyourdreamtour.com. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to choose a trip or a travel package on our website. First of all, we recommend logging in or registering, if you haven't done so yet, using the dedicated section on the website. How can you choose your trip? On the home page, you'll find a search bar that allows you to type a specific location, not a country. You don't need to search for the country, just enter the place you would like to visit. For example, you can type Cinque Terre in Italy and see all the multi-day travel packages or day tours available on that area. You can also search for a specific city, such as Rome. In this case, you will see different packages and services offered in that city. On the home page, you'll also find several dedicated sections, such as JW Group Tours, Explore Italy, Short Excursions, Global Journey, and City Tours. For example, if you click on City Tours, you will see all the city tours available around the world. If we select Outdoors Activities, we'll be redirected to a section dedicated to outdoor experiences and activities. At the top of the homepage, you can also find additional services such as short excursions for cruise passengers, transfers, private tours, single room supplements, gadgets, travel services, and other options, including courses. Once you've selected a tour, we always recommend checking its availability before purchasing. You can do this directly on the tour page, in the product section, or by contacting us through the Contact Us section. This way, you can be sure your experience is perfectly organized and ready to go.